Okay, let's start now to install the Squint test using the Google Chrome extension. So you go here and then you type Google extension. And then I think it's this one here. And on top of the left side, you choose Squint. Squint. Yeah, like that, Squint. Okay, so directly we have Squint over by a Brian right boost. Select that one, and then on the right side, click Add to the Chrome. And then, yes, I would like to add the extension. Okay, great. So now it's up here. And what I need to do is to pin that here, Squint. I have it there. Now let's open a web page. Let's say apple.com. And the website looks like this. And when we press the Squint, then it will be blurred. What we can see here is that it is stated clearly here iPhone 13 Pro. And you can see the color is green, and this is how it looks like. And if we can go below, we can see that, yeah, they are promoting the iPhone 13 Pro. We cannot see all of these navigation above, but the main focus is on this iPhone 13 Pro. If you go down, we can see that it's also promoting the iPhone SE, and you can see how it looks like. Next is they have this iPad Air. I think this is light, bright, full of might, and it's colorful. They're showing these pink, violet, light blue colors. And then they have this Apple Watch. Okay, so this shows a great web where it's directly based on the Squint test. You can see directly what they're selling. I hope your website also have the same feel.